Is attraction enough for a meaningful relationship? For a couple to stand through the tests of time, a deeper connection is crucial, the connection called compatibility. Understanding the difference between the two can get confusing sometimes. So is it just chemistry but not compatibility? Here are some signs to help you figure it out. Number 1, you can't imagine spending your life with them. You like cuddling with them and have fun when you go out to the movies. Their jokes make you cry laughing and you can't stop smiling when you're with them. If that's true, there's definitely chemistry between you. Now close your eyes and imagine them by your side forever. Do you feel something's wrong with that picture? Maybe you like to hang out with them, but they're not serious enough for a long-term relationship, or they pursue a completely opposite lifestyle. Whatever it is, you can ignore it for now, but you know it would drive you crazy in the long run. They just don't seem right, and you're probably right. If you can feel it even through all that chemistry, most likely you're just not compatible. Number 2, you don't share the same values. At first attraction, you probably didn't talk about your values or opinions as much. You just wanted to spend time with them and possibly stop blushing so much, right? But sooner or later, the question of your beliefs will pop up and you might get surprised. When you're not truly compatible, you might have completely different opinions on topics of religion, politics, parenting style. While it's true that you can value others' opinions, even if you disagree, it can get difficult to date someone who doesn't share your values and beliefs. Having opposing views on major topics can impact your life together and make you prone to arguments and fights, even if they're extremely cute. Number 3, you're complete opposites. It is said that opposites attract. When it comes to relationships, you may be a naturally calm person, which helps ground your naturally hot-headed partner. Or maybe you're very anxious, but your optimistic partner helps you calm that anxiety. But if you're complete opposites when it comes to your interests, ideas, and opinions, it may be difficult for you to enjoy each other's company. If you like to spend your weekends going to the theater while your partner would rather go to a soccer game, you're probably going to have some problems deciding how to spend your time together. Maybe you have some common interests, but if you're planning to stay together long-term, a few common interests may not be enough for you to have a fulfilling relationship. Number 4, you're often bored of each other. How did you feel when you first met them? Did the excitement of seeing them again make you lose sleep? And every second you spent thus was filled with fun. You could feel the chemistry with all your senses. What about now? As time passed, you started spending more time together, but now you kind of feel bored. The initial excitement stopped being so intense. This often happens to couples that were blinded with chemistry, but are not actually compatible. You stop spending quality time together or even avoid one another. Unfortunately, it rarely gets better with time, and sometimes the relationship ends because they find someone new, someone who makes them feel that excitement all over again. And number 5, you have different goals for the future. What do you want out of your future? Do you want to get married and start a family, but your partner would rather spend their life traveling? Or maybe you want to move into a big city with lots of opportunities, but they would like to live in the countryside surrounded by animals. Having similar goals is pretty important for a long-term relationship. And by pretty, we mean absolutely. It's a touchstone for a compatible relationship. Having different views about the future is something that's definitely going to take a toll on you, no matter how much you like them at the moment. When your feelings are only led by chemistry and attraction without compatibility, it opens the door for lots of frustration and loneliness. Even if you're still not sure, you don't have to worry. Time will tell and your heart will know what to do. The good news is, Psych2Goers, that it's completely possible for chemistry and compatibility to go hand in hand. When that happens, it's the start of a wonderful and fruitful relationship. So do you recognize any of these signs? If so, do you think this video helped you to identify them? Feel free to leave a comment down below with your thoughts, experiences, or suggestions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and share it with those wondering why it's just not working.